Go live.
Alright. Hi everyone, this is a ZL2 system retractable screen installed by the great folks at Your World Blinds and Shutters. We have the cassette down here, tucked away in behind the fridge onto the smooth back. Okay. Over here. Stand back, doesn't block any of the view. Nice smooth operation. Brake system, you can stop it wherever you want just by letting go. And it can be fitted to almost any situation. Just here is some custom boxing we had to fit for the receiver channel. Custom cutouts, bottom and top. To suit this situation. If you're interested in getting a ZL2 or something similar, feel free to contact us at Your World Blinds and Shutters.